Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start cleaning on your Aqua 10 roller. Okay, so as you can see right here, there is the app, and if you'd like to start cleaning, you can click on clean here and it'll just do it in the currently set settings. In a moment I'll show you how to edit these settings. You can also not only clean the whole home but also select room, and now select the rooms in the selected order that you'd like to clean. I only have one room scanned here, so it's not gonna really give me any option to choose from, but that's what you can do here. And also you can do a zone and then create a zone. You can add more zones to clean. You can set cycles for the zones, 1, 2 or 3 cycles. The same you can do for rooms, not for all. And you can enable water stain cleaning in your zone cleaning, and it's gonna just clean the water stains, like in the bathroom, for example. Now, for all of these settings, you have vacuum and mop here button. I have it, but you can have it. Might say something else. When you click on it, you can either enable Clean Genius, and then it'll automatically know what to do in each of the rooms. It'll automatically intelligently adjust the cleaning parameters, but you can also, and in the Clean Genius you can select vacuum and mop, or mop then mop after vacuuming. Then you can also do a custom one, and in the custom one you can set everything yourself. You can change the cleaning mode to vacuum, mop, vacuum and mop, mop after vacuuming, or customize room cleaning. When you click on it, you'll be able to select each room and set a cleaning mode differently according to your preferences. I'll set it to vacuum and mop, and then I can change the suction power, the wetness, the mop washing frequency, because the mop needs to get washed after some time. So this is the frequency. You can see, you can set it by area. So after 20 square meters, it will return to the base station and re-wash the mops. You can do it also by time, so it'll return to the to wash the mop after a certain time, for example 25 minutes. Of course you can slide the sliders, or by room, and it'll do it after every room. It'll just re-clean the mops. Then also you can change the route to quick or standard. It's just the quick one, it's gonna take less time but maybe a little bit less accurate when it comes to the cleaning. And then for mopping you also have some settings, like you have different routes to set. Vacuuming as well, you can enable max plus or max. Basically yeah, there's quite a few things here to choose from, and that's basically it. When you're done, click on clean and it's gonna start cleaning. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.